Unit 15, Lesson 2. Okay, please open your class book, page 117. Okay, class book, page 117. Alright, today we are going to learn grammar, past simple versus past continuous. Okay, in here what I want to explain is when there is the word or connector when. Okay, this one, use connector when. Alright, this is the example. I was eating when he arrived. Do you still remember the pattern of past simple and past continuous? I believe so. Look, if past continuous, I made mistake in here. Let me correct it. Okay, if past continuous, remember, there must be verb in. Okay, that's for the continuous part. But for the past one, we can see from the to be. To be in the past, we have was and were. Depends on the subject, right? So in past continuous, we have to put subject, be in the past. There are was and were, and then continued or followed by verb in. Okay, and for past simple, we have to use verb to. The past form of the verb, we use it for past simple. Now, if there is when, you have to think about which one is the long action and which one is the short action. Now, look at my example. I was eating compared to he arrived. Imagine, which one is longer in terms of duration? Is it eating or someone arrived? Imagine if you are eating, you need maybe like 30 minutes or 15 minutes as the fastest. But if someone arrived, it only takes 1 or 2 seconds, right? That's why for this example, we can say that I was eating is a long action. Okay, this one long action. I was eating. And for the he arrived, this one is a short action. Good job. So now can we say that if long action we use past continuous and for short action we use past simple? Probably yes. That's why take a look to the second example so that we can make sure. Okay. When I was eating, he arrived. Basically, it's the same example, right? Can we think of the other example? Don't use this one. But the point is, here what I want to say, if you put when in the middle, you don't need to put comma, right? But if you put when at the beginning, you have to put comma in the middle. Okay? Good. Now, wait for a while. Let's use the other example. Don't use this one because it's the same. Let's find out the other example. When the secretary was typing, maybe typing a letter or a document. Okay, and then the office boy, maybe we can say that the office boy knocked the door. I'll write in here, knocked the door. Okay, now let's take a look. It's a little bit longer than before, right? When the secretary was typing. So, because this is using was and verb in, We can call this sentence using past continuous. Am I right? Yes. And then here the office boy, the subject, and the verb is verb 2. So it's past simple. Good job. Now let's decide which one is a longer action. The secretary was typing or the office boy knocked the door. Typing, writing a letter, with knock the door. Of course, this one. Okay. So it's a long action and this is short action. So based on these two examples, we can conclude that if past continuous, it's for long action. And for the past simple, it's to tell you the short action. Okay? Now, let's do the exercise together before you do your workbook. Okay? Here, mom cook when children arrive. Which one is the longer action? Which one is longer? Cook or arrive? Of course, cook. So, we write the subject, mom. Remember, you have to use past continuous for this. Mom was our word. Mom is she. So, you have to use was. Okay, good job. Mom was followed by verb ing. Okay, mom was cooking. Good job. When the children were arriving or what? This one is past continuous. So for the next one, you have to put past simple. That's right. When the children arrive. Good job. Next, the phone ring when the children do homework. Which one is the longer action? Do homework or the phone ring? How many minutes do you need to do your homework? An hour. Okay, and when the phone ring, does it need an hour to ring? No, right? So which one is the longer action? Do the homework. That's right. So this one you use past continuous, and for the phone ring you use past simple. That's right. So let's write the answer. The phone. Past simple. What should you use? Verb 1, verb 2 or verb 3? That's right. We use verb 2. What's the verb 2 of ring? Do you still remember? It's irregular verb. You need to check your book. Are you sure? You have to remember it, right? It must be something that already put in your mind. Oh, you remember it. Good job. So the phone rang. Okay, this is the verb 2 of ring. Good. The phone rang when the children, wait for a while, when the children, okay, now this is the subject. You have to put to be, right? Be in the past. What's our word? Children. How many are they? More than one. That's right. So what's our word? Were. Good job. When the children were do? No? Oh yeah, of course no, because you have to put verb ing. Were doing their homework. Okay, so that's it for the explanation. I hope you can understand it well. Now for the exercise, please complete your class book on page 117, continued with workbook on page 109. Okay, thank you for listening to Miss Shafa. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.